Most people think that financial freedom is a privilege reserved for the lucky or the extremely wealthy. But the truth is, anyone can achieve financial freedom with the right strategies. Imagine waking up every morning without worrying about money, without the stress of a job you hate, and without being tied down by debt. That is financial freedom. Today, I'm going to show you not a get-rich-quick scheme or a lottery win, but a simple, step-by-step method to achieve real financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path towards financial independence. Step 1. Define your version of financial freedom. Before diving into specific methods, let's first consider what financial freedom means to you. For some, it might mean early retirement, while for others, it could be doing what they love without financial worries. Think more specifically. How much do you need each month to maintain your lifestyle without a paycheck? That is your financial freedom number. Write down your financial freedom goal. Is it $3,000 a month? $5,000? Or more? Knowing this number helps you set a clear target. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest factors that make people financially strained. The longer you hold on to debt, the more your wealth diminishes. Credit card debt, cash advances, and high-interest car loans should be your top priority to pay off. Use methods like the debt snowball, paying off small debts first, or the debt avalanche, paying off high-interest debts first, to actively reduce your debt. The next step is where many people fail, but if done correctly, it can secure a lifetime of stability. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Most people spend money first and save what's left, but the wealthy save first and spend later. The easiest way? Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer of at least 20% of your salary to savings and investments before you even touch it. This way, you can live on the remaining money while automatically growing your wealth. Step 4. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income, like a job, is risky. If that income disappears, so does your financial stability. Wealthy people become richer because they have multiple income streams. Start with at least one additional income source, a side hustle like freelancing, consulting, or running a YouTube channel. Passive income from dividends, rental income, or selling digital products, investing in stocks, ETFs, or real estate. But simply earning more money is not enough. If you don't master the next step, you could still end up broke. Step 5. Live below your means. Most people tend to upgrade their lifestyle as their income increases. This is known as lifestyle inflation. However, financially free individuals keep their expenses low and invest the difference. Set a fixed budget that allows you to live well below your income level. Use minimalist budgeting, cut unnecessary expenses, focus on what actually brings value, and avoid debt traps like car loans and credit cards. Step 6. Invest for passive income. Saving money is not enough. You need to grow your money. The key to financial freedom is earning enough passive income to cover your expenses. Invest in index funds, like the S&P 500 ETF, for long-term growth. Purchase rental properties that generate monthly cash flow. Create products that sell without your direct involvement. Keep investing until your passive income exceeds your expenses. That is the moment you achieve financial freedom. Step 7. Protect your wealth. Once you build wealth, you need to keep it safe. A sudden financial crisis or a bad investment decision can set you back years. Get appropriate insurance like health, home, and life insurance. Prepare an emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Avoid risky investments or those that guarantee high returns. Financial freedom is not just a dream, but a system. By following these steps, you can move towards a life without financial worries. Which step will you start with? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more wealth building tips. I'll see you in the next one.